This
in SAP
conference will
Solution
now be recorded.
Solution Manager. And we what in this training we will be going through that I will be giving a demo here. So this will be the training path, like the baseline configuration, what we have like mandatory configurations. This will be purely a technical training, and there will be some part of the functional training will be there, so that with the functionality I will explain what we will be seeing in that functionalities. So in solution manager, like we have technical configuration and we have functional configuration. So like once you are done with the installation of solution manager, then you have to like do the mandatory configurations. So in mandatory configuration we will be having like system preparation, then infrastructure preparation, basic configuration, manage system configuration. So like that, then once you're done with that, then you have to proceed with the functional or technical functionality implementation. So we will be seeing a baseline configuration, then ITSM, chain management, process management, test management, application operations, then engagement and delivery services, focus solutions, like focus build, focus insight, focus run, and solve and upgrade, or like migration. Okay, so in this, starting with the like baseline configuration. So this will come under your process management. Okay, so I will come on this later. So like the baseline configuration. So in the baseline configuration, we will be setting up the mandatory configuration, like system preparation, infrastructure preparation, basic configuration, and all these things. Now, what in system preparation, like we need to perform the SLD configuration, then in infrastructure we need to perform the Wiley configuration. So all that, how we can perform that configuration, so that we will be seeing here. Okay, then once we are done with this configuration, we will proceed with the the functional functionalities. Okay, like process management, so which is also known as solution documentation. So for this, we need to create the solution logical component. What is branch? What is SLD? What is LMDB? So that all things like we will be seeing here. Then in process management, once we are done with the configuration, then how to import the best practices, how to define the branches, how to create the process diagram. So this is not like solution manager consultant work, but yeah, we will be showing like how you can create this, how you can configure these functionalities, and how you can create and maintain all these diagrams. So means what is the like how the functional people will work on this. So that part, with respect to the functional, that we will be covering here. But technically this is not a solution manager consultant job. Solution manager consultant job is to perform the configuration and hand over the system. So this is what, with respect to process management, we will be covering here. Then ITSM, like what is the prerequisite of ITSM, how to configure the ITSM. Once you're done with the configuration, then how to create an incident, how to process a incident, how to close a incident. So there are different method of creating an incident. So how to do that. So that all things we will be seeing here. Then we have change management. So in change management, we will be seeing like what are the prerequisites of implementing this change request management, how to perform the configuration, what is retrofit, what is DGP, what is CSOL, cross system object lock. So all these things we will be seeing. Then once we are done with this configuration, then we will be creating a phase cycle. We will be showing you like how to create a request for change. Again, this creation of request for change will be done by the end user, not by the like Solman consultant. So this is also like a, uh, not in the technical scope, but this is with respect to the end user or business user. Then how to create a normal change, what are the types of change, what are the types of cycle. So how to perform this, what is task list, how to lock a task list, how to unlock a task list, and we will be showing you demo like
Okay.
how you can import a transport request from development to quality system, from quality to production systems. So that we will be covering here. So this will be
So
like a
Mahendra,
full end-to-end scenario. Yep.
I have a question here. So I heard about the charm functionality. So are we talking about the charm, or our charm is something different?
Yeah, this is what charm is.
Okay, change management is nothing but charm. Okay, yeah, I
Yeah,
just
so
want to.
under change management, we have charm, the chain request
Okay,
management, and we have QGM, the quality gate management.
I see, I
So
see.
this
Thank you. Mhm.
So then we have engagement and delivery services. So now in this, we will be performing the EW configurations, how we can generate a EW report, and then what is DVM, how to perform a DVM configuration, what is CCLM,
Mhm.
custom code lifecycle management, how to analyze the code, है ना? So all these things we will be implementing. What is focus solution? In focus solution, what all things we have like focus build, focus insight, then focus run. Okay. So see, this for this configuration we will be required a S user ID to connect with the SAP. So here I will be showing you, means we will be showing you the configuration part. Uh, we will we cannot generate a demo report or something like that because that will require the as user ID to connect with the SAP. So we will show you how the EWA report looks like, what all things you can do the analysis. So that all
Mhm.
things we will be covering here. Then
Mhm.
for focus run again, we this will be just a theory part, and focus solution the focus build and focus inside, that will also a theory part. So for this practical, we have another training.
Okay.
So that will be there. Then test management. So in test management, we will be having system preparation. So under test system preparation, how to perform the setup, the prerequisites, the administration part, and the execution. Okay, so
Mhm.
this will be again hands-on, and second thing, how to create a test plan, how to define a test scope, so, how to perform a testing. So this will be fully end to end. Then CBTA. So how to perform a CBTA configuration, how to perform this change impact analysis. Okay, what is T-bomb? What are the types of T-bomb? How to create a T-bomb? How to perform this BPCA configuration, what is UPL, what is how to perform this UPL configuration. So to perform this test management configuration, you need, this is the prerequisite, the users and procedure login. So you have to do this configuration and then you can perform this test management. So all these things we will be covering here. Then under the application operation, we have system monitoring, integration monitoring, job monitoring, self monitoring, HANA and BI monitoring, IT infrastructure monitoring. So all these things we will be covering in this training. So this is what we have, and the upgrade migration. So suppose upgrade now everyone are on 7.2. So if
Mhm.
suppose you are using SPS 11, you want to perform the upgrade on SPS 15 or SPS 16 or SPS 17. Now the latest in market is SPS 17. So how
Mhm.
to do that upgrade if you are interested? So that will, if you want to see this practical session, so that will be we will be building a server and showing you how you can do that, and later you can also do. Or otherwise, in this training session, this will be like a theory part, what all the prerequisites for upgrading a solution manager, and how you can perform, which tool you will be using, like some tool we are using for upgrading. So what all phases will be there, execution phase, configuration phase, then we have pre-processing phase, then configuration phase, pre-processing, execution, and post-processing. So these are the phases we have. These starting from the extraction, configuration,
Okay.
pre-processing, execution, and post-processing. So these are the five phases we have. So that we will be covering here. Okay, in each phases, what will happen? So that we will be covering here. Okay, so
Okay.
this is what we have. So now, if you have any questions, you can ask me.
Yeah, I mean, like, so you introduced me a lot of new terminology, definitely. So once we start up, discussing in detail, probably I'll come back with more questions, right? And the in the order of, order of coverage. So this upgrade is going to be as the last topic, right?
Yes, it depends. Like, if suppose two candidates are joining this session, so how you want to start? What is your priority? What you want to learn first? So then, see, the dependency is not like that. You have to first perform this, second perform this. Only the thing is, this baseline
Baseline
configuration should be
configuration. Yeah,
performed. Once you
yeah.
are done with this configuration, then it depends on your priority. Like suppose you want to go with charm, then ITSM, then test suite management, and if you want to go for the upgrade, so before this upgrade will happen, before
Uh-huh.
baseline configuration, upgrade will happen.
I know. Yeah, yeah. First step, as a first step. Yeah. Okay.
Yep. So first will be installing a system, then second will be upgrading a system, then third will be the post installation, then fourth will be the baseline configuration, and fifth will be your functionalities of solution manager.
Okay. Yeah, for me, either way, I'm okay. I mean, like, I want to understand the complete whole picture of solution manager. Okay, so I don't have any preference. So whatever you suggest, I'm okay with that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So the only question I had was like, I thought like change management is different from the charm. Now you are saying charm is a part of change management, right?
Yes. See, change management, under change management, we have two functionalities. One is the change request management, second is the QGM, the quality
Mhm.
gate management. So, the function of both this functionality will be the same.
Mhm.
Moving for transport request from your one system to another and to the production, from like a dev to quality to pre-prod to prod. So same way, like in QGM we are having gates, in charm we are having like different cycles. Okay,
Okay.
the normal change and all. So with the help of this, first we will be creating a phase cycle, then we will be creating a request for change and then normal change. So how you can move the transport from development to quality, that we will be showing you. So once you are creating this phase cycle, task list number will generate, how to unlock that task list, and then once you are done with that, how to move a transport, how to create a transport, that we will be covering in this session. So this will be
Okay.
like end to end. Like we have two cycles. One is the phase cycle, second is the continual cycle. We have only request for change, which is the short form for this is RFC, and we have
Mm.
CDs. So CD is nothing but the chain document, like normal change, urgent change, standard change, administrative change, general change. So these are the types of changes we have. So what all changes you want to implement in your scenario, how you can implement, what are the difference between that, so that we will be covering here, and how to perform this configuration. So everything we will be covering in this training.
So how about the Fury, Mahinder? So will you be covering all the apps as well, like from the front end?
So Fury, what do you mean by that?
So let's say for early watch report, right, or dashboard. So you have so
Yes.
many. So
So
yeah. Mhm.
yeah, that we will be showing you, that we will be covering, that will be covering for each of the topics.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I
That
meant.
will be
Okay.
there, that will be there.
Okay. Okay. And and
Suppose
and the final
mm,
question. And the final question is, let's say, I don't know whether the concept is available in Solution Manager or not, but so my question is, So if can we fix any approval like in the either in the can you not fix maybe can we go through approval route, let's say for the in the process management or for the transport in the charm or in what you call IT service desk IT service request concept as well. So do we have approval functionality available in solution manager?
See, approval functionalities like suppose now you have created the transport request in the development system, right?
Correct.
And that
Mhm.
need to be moved to the
Quality of
quality of
correct.
pre-production system. So
Right.
there is no direct functionality is here that it will you can approve from the solution manager. But yeah,
Uh,
that is something you have to get approval either in the email. That is what how the business work. So once you have taken the approval that the user will tell that please move this transport to the quality system. So then here in this chain request management, okay, you will be coming here and you will be moving that changes to the quality system through charm. Okay,
okay.
but you cannot approve directly. But someone, the release manager will be there who will be approving this request manually over the email, but not through the solution manager.
Okay. So
Okay.
that functionality itself is not available. That's what I mean. That's
No,
what you're
that
saying.
is
Okay.
not available. And same for process management. You can send the email
Okay.
directly from the process management. Okay, you can send the email. Sending an email functionality is available. Okay, but it's not available directly in the solution manager system.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
in SPS 17, I don't know because SPS 17 has been released like 2, 3, 4 weeks before only. It's the very
Mm-hmm.
latest, and we will be
Mm-hmm.
using that only for this
Okay.
training. SPS 17.
Okay. So let's say in the IT service, request process as well. So let's say, um, so I'm just visualizing as an user. So if I have any what you call any issue with SAP, any applications of the SAP, so I can log into Solution Manager and I can create the ticket. So what next? So let's say now if I enter into the IT consultant shoes, I see that request. Okay, I understand the user pain, and if there is any system change that needs to be performed, so is there any approval process there also? So you say no, Mahinder. So all I'm asking is there any functionality, approval functionality in IT service request management?
See, for ITSM, you will be having different what you call status, like in
Uh-huh,
process, approve,
uh-huh,
reject. Okay, so that will
uh-huh,
be there something. And
mhm.
for solve documentation or in solution documentation also it will be there. Like you
Mhm.
can create approve and all. So it depends like how you want to configure these things.
Okay.
Okay, so it's like the customizations we have, and if you will just go with the standard, so in standard, like for solution documentation, you will be having 3, 4 status,
Mhm.
and that status you have to use. But if you have to go with the customization, then you can create the customization as per the requirement. So that
Mhm.
everything we will be covering here.
Okay. Okay. I'm good. Thanks, Mahinder, to clarify all my questions.
Okay.
So, what are the next steps? So, I'll speak with Naveen, uh, and then we'll get started. Right?
Yeah, yeah, Sridhar. I'll call you. Okay, we'll follow accordingly. Okay?
Sure. Sure. Thank you. Thanks for your time, Mahinder, and Naveen as well.
Yep. Thank you. Bye.